So you have a Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra, and you're trying to do a factory reset because you forgot your password. And in order to do a hard reset using the hard keys to do a factory reset, the first thing you got to do is turn off your phone, right? However, when you try to turn off your phone, it's asking you for a password that you forgot. So I'm going to show you how to bypass this. It may ask you for a PIN, a password, or maybe even a swipe code. Anyways, it's pretty easy to bypass this, okay? Now, in order to bypass this, what we're going to do first is we're going to force it to restart. As soon as it's about to restart, we're going to go ahead and switch key combinations here to actually boot into the Android recovery menu so that we can do a factory reset. Okay, so first thing is we need to force a restart. So how you do that is you want to press two buttons. You want to press and hold simultaneously. It's going to be the power button and volume down button. We're going to press and hold for about like maybe 15 seconds. As soon as the 15 seconds is up, we want to quickly go ahead and continue to hold the power button, but let go of the volume down and then press and hold the volume up until we see the Samsung logo, okay? Now, it may take you a few times. It may take me a few times right now. I'm going to go ahead and try it, okay? So let's try this, okay? Ready? It's going to be the volume down, power button. Press and hold both buttons. Wait about 15 seconds till it's about to reboot, and then go ahead and just let go of the volume down button and then press and hold the volume up button while always holding down the power button, okay? So let's do this, okay? Ready? Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. About 15 seconds. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let go, and then now I'm holding the volume up, and I'm still holding on to the power button. So I'm holding on to the volume up and the power button. I'm not sure if I got it. I'm just going to continue to hold on to this. Let me see. Okay, I can go ahead and let go. Samsung logo. I got it on my first try. I got pretty lucky. Again, I waited about 15 seconds, but sometimes it may be 13. With my other Samsung Galaxy S20, it was like 13 seconds, and this other one here was like 17 seconds. Anyways, around like 15 seconds. Keep trying it a few times. Anyways, we booted up into the Android recovery menu here, and the only thing you got to do from here is you can use the volume rockers to go down. Just go down to where it says wipe data / factory reset. As you can see right there, use the volume rockers to move up and down. So wipe data / factory reset. Don't forget, once we do a factory reset, it's going to be as if everything's going to be wiped out. You're going to lose everything on your phone, and then once the reset is complete, it's going to be as if you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box. Anyways, it's on wipe data / factory reset. To select it, I'm going to go ahead and press on the power button right here. Let's press it. And now it's basically asking me, are you sure you want to do this? Because it cannot be undone. I'm going to go ahead and use the volume down rocker to go down to factory data reset. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on power button right here. And now you can watch the bottom of my phone as soon as I press on power. You can see this right here. Okay, wipe data complete. Okay, so it's done. Now by default it moves back up to here where it says reboot system now. So we're going to go ahead and just reboot it. So just go ahead and simply tap on the power button here to restart it. And this may take a few minutes to boot back up. And then once it boots back up, we'll be in the beginning of the setup process where you got to choose your language and all that other good stuff. So it's on Samsung logo here. Let me just go ahead and put it on pause. This may take 2 or 3 minutes on this logo right here. So it's been about 3 minutes. It's still stuck on the Samsung logo. Still got to go ahead and let it wait. Okay, finally, that took about 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. Now it's starting to boot back up, and here we go, back in the very beginning. So if you guys have any questions or any issues or anything, just comment below. See you guys in the next one. Right? Bye.